Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda from Make Money Online. If you are new here, kindly click subscribe on my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. If you have a time, kindly watch my videos below on how to making money online and my social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, another website and Pinterest. Okay guys, we are talking about on how to get paid to upload your photos. The name of this site is clickasnap.com. This is the main page of this site, clickasnap.com. The simple way to make money online, upload your own photos to get paid here in this site. The world's largest free to use paid per view image sharing platform, and then this is the sign up and get paid for your content. And again, this is the main page here. And now guys, we are talking about on how it works on ClickAsnap to upload your photos to get paid. We are clicking this how it works. And then make money when your photos are viewed. ClickAsnap is the only platform in the world where you get paid when you or your photos are viewed. Plus, it's free to sign up. Sign up for free and then watch the video first before you sign up on how it works. And this is the rate here, 0.15 centime paid per photo viewed, and then $15 minimum payout, and then 15,000 member sign-ups and millions of views per month. Okay guys, if you are interested here to upload your own photos to make money online, kindly click sign up and get paid for your content, or you click get started. And now this is the register form that you want to fill up this box, your email address, username, password, and confirm password, and then click this box, I agree the term and condition, and click create an account. Or the other one choices, click Facebook or Google or Twitter to want to create your account here on clickasnap.com. Okay guys, what you can do here on clickasnap.com to getting paid your own photos for posting here on site. It's easy, earn money when someone views your photos. First, upload your photos. Using our easy-to-use upload system, you can add your images to our platform and start earning money today. And then, users view your photos. Your photos are then displayed to users that visit ClickAsnap. When someone views your photo, you make money. And then the last one, you get paid once your payment reaches $15. You can request to get paid. Payments are made through PayPal for your safety and security. If you are interested, kindly click this one, sign up for free. And then guys, this is which site would you use? ClickAsnap, Flickr, Viewbag, or 500px. While the ClickAsnap, you can upload 7 photos per day and you get paid when your photos are viewed. And then, while the other site, you can upload but without paying your own photos on their site. And then kindly read this one, why you should choose ClickAsnap, read this one, how it works. until below of this page. If you are interested to start making an income from your photography today, it only takes 30 minutes. Kindly click sign up for free. Okay guys, if you want more information, kindly click this one, this area, frequently question and answer. Kindly read this one or click this one, each of these question, for more information on how it works here on Click a Snap for your own photo to upload this site. Okay guys, that it is all about my video on how to get paid upload on your photos here on Click a Snap. If you are interested, kindly click the description and link below for more information, and don't forget to click subscribe on my channel and hit the bell icon for the video update. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.